My name's Steve Everly. I'm Vice President of Sales at RX Sight. And RX Sight provides the light adjustable lens. The light adjustable lens is the first intraocular lens, the first and only intraocular lens that a surgeon can put in a patient's eye and then change after cataract surgery. They can change the sphere and cylinder of the lens. This allows the patient to pick the vision that they want after surgery. Despite a lot of recent advancements in IOL calculations, about 6 out of 10 times, patients don't get their desired refractive target with cataract surgery. With the light adjustable lens, after surgery, the surgeon can adjust the lens in the patient's eye with our light delivery device. So this ensures that they hit the desired outcome. And not only that, a lot of patients don't have good vision at all distances. With the light adjustable lens, you can have excellent vision at distance, intermediate, and near. This is really changing how surgeons manage cataract patients. It's a very disruptive technology, but patients are able to test drive their vision and pick the vision that they want after surgery. RX Sight's now the fastest growing IOL in the world and the fastest growing IOL company in the world.